How does it feel like in an ultimate state of meditation? One day I was waking up from my deep sleep and I was looking at my hand and I saw that it is entirely made of atoms and these particles are dense and the air next to it is also made of particles which are so similar to each other. Actually, in fact, they're same. They're same as one another. That means the air is also made of same particles as me, and there is no difference. And it is so beautiful that experience. That is the experience of oneness that you will feel with everything around you and within you. That will be the one of the deepest state of meditation. What is actually meditation? Meditation is enjoying the God within us. And I call this meditation, like dictation. Spell the God within when you're doing that. Meditation is sitting in silence. Meditation is extended zoom in. Meditation is magnified awareness. You know what meditation feels like? If you're into makeup, then meditation is makeup for eyes, skin, brain, breath, organs, and all the physiological processes. That anxiety, that stress, all that is gone. That is how actual meditation. Meditation is a busy mind on vacation. It is like a vacation for your mind taken off. When you're in deep silence, you can connect with the entire universe. Universe is filled with silence of millions of light years, very, very far. It's all silent, isn't it? So universe is abundance of silence, and you become one with the universe when you are in the deep state of meditation. It happens.